Yeah, so I got another. So there's two types of accounting. There's cash basis and there's accrual. Essentially, cash basis is whenever you pay something on your credit card or receive money in your Stripe account, it goes on the books. So if you get a payment on January 1st, it goes in on January 1st, even if the payment was from the December before. Cash basis is when you actually get the cash. Accrual is different. It's actually when you provide the service. So if you sign someone to a 3-month contract for $30,000, but then you fulfill that contract over 3 months and you pay your people, you might split that out 10K, 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 and have expenses 5K, 5K, 5K for those 3 months. And that gives you a much better picture on how your business is actually doing. There's a lot of brokers out there that go out and they're like, your business needs to be an accrual. If you ever want to sell for highest multiple, needs to be an accrual. And that can be true, and accrual can help certain businesses make decisions. But really, this is a conversation you need to have with your CPA. Should I be on cash or accrual? And it's not black and white. Your CPA might say, hey, let's do cash for the first year, move to accrual in the second year. Accrual bookkeeping costs more. It's more work for the bookkeeper. Accrual bookkeeping is one of those things that if you're accrual in QuickBooks, you can toggle it to cash. But if you're cash, you can't toggle it to accrual. So you can do your books in accrual, but file your taxes cash, if that makes sense. Again, up to your CPA. But this should be a real conversation you have with your CPA every year of whether it's better for your business, both from an understanding your numbers and from a tax basis, to be cash or accrual. Again, I'm not a CPA. I have a CPA on my team, but I do have a CPA that I've worked with for 15 plus years, helped me sell a company. If anyone wants an intro, reach out to me. But yeah, you should have that conversation with your CPA.
Love it. Just being clear on the distinction. Can you share like what you see more common with agencies on retainer-based services?
Yeah, with agencies, for whatever reason, and again, I'm not making this decision, the CPAs are, it's more of a size thing. Usually when they get over a certain number, like over that 3 or 4, they start to transition over to accrual. I would think smaller agencies, especially if they don't have a large group of clients, they're doing more cash. And there can be some benefits from a tax standpoint being cash. In e-commerce, it's a little bit different where most of them end up being accrual just because you have inventory and all that going on. But agency, it really depends on the CPA and how he wants it done.